So while I was in Trenton, I worked in housing. We had a very specialized office, so people really did just one specialty practice, even though it was a small office. So I did exclusively housing, and I was there for 10 years. So a lot of the work I did was sort of the standard landlord-tenant, eviction defense, lockouts, habitability cases, several days a week in landlord-tenant court. It was very exciting for me at the time. Trenton was an interesting city to learn about. It's a small town, but it's got distinct neighborhoods. It has kind of its own history and its own character. And, I got to know all the slumlords in town very well and all the city housing inspectors very well. And I really started to feel a real connection to that community. So actually, after 5 years of commuting from Philly, I moved there, and then I sort of was in Trenton full time. At that office, the vast majority of our clients came from Trenton because the rest of the county was much wealthier, and we were right in the middle of Trenton, so we had very easy access to our clients. I did, in addition to doing the defense work, I was able to bring some affirmative suits. I sued some landlords who were trying to illegally convert buildings to condos. I sued some landlords trying to get receivers appointed to manage mismanaged buildings. I actually had my first taste of redevelopment work representing a group of tenants who were threatened by a proposed redevelopment plan that would have gotten rid of a lot of the rental housing in the neighborhood in an attempt to upgrade the neighborhood. So that was kind of interesting. So it was a mix of stuff, but very housing oriented.